So we're here in Haverfordwest, in the Riverside Shopping Centre, where we've got a base, and we're here celebrating quite a big, significant part of the project, which is a set of sculptures that have been made along the river, and there's 3 of them. I think with sculpture it's hard, it's hard to sort of make something that is of a particular place, but I think these particular works are very much looking at the way that Haverfordwest has developed and the way that the centre has become a little bit devoid of nature. The whole river's been canalised, and the concept behind the sculptures really is a little reminder to everybody that actually this is a very living heart of the town, and in a way, it could be argued that we've turned our back on it in a way, and there's a need to reconnect with it and to sort of celebrate the fact that it's here. It's amazing to have a river running right through the town. I think it has, it's been quite a journey in the last, we were just chatting earlier, it's been 4 years probably since we did the very first sort of pilot and research phase of the project. And there's a sense in which, that has been it's been a long road. It's been incredible. And I think the hopes really are that people get a chance to sort of see what's been made and to celebrate that, and that really there's an opportunity for people to engage with that in lots of different ways. We've got workshops that it'd be great if people will join in with those. One of them is a willow workshop, and then we've got another workshop which is working really with the sort of concept of what people's hopes for the town are in the future. A particular element where we've done quite a big community procession every year at Halloween, and we've got some of the people who've been involved in doing music and making for that, and they're joining us today, and there'll be a little chance for them to weave their way around town and hopefully attract a bit of interest, and people will ask the question, what's going on here then? An amazing thing that's happened during the lifetime of the project, that a guy has set up a business with boats on the river, and it was something that came up in all the discussions we had with people, that people were saying, there used to be boats on the river, it was fantastic, We're helping him a little bit today by saying you can have a free trip on one of the boats, and using that as a way of exploring the river, getting people on the river, and really looking at the sculptures that have been made from the water, which is quite exciting. And we've done some work on evaluating what do people think about the project, and one of the things we were interested in is what do people feel about art, and I think this programme has given us a chance to really explore and introduce people to all sorts of art practice, contemporary art practice. The common thread has been that it's all about engaging people with it. It's not just about putting on an exhibition and saying, well, there it is. It's like, how do people engage with the process of making or responding to a place?